Hey planners, welcome back to my channel. This is your The Planner Guide, and today it's really happening. I am giving you a short, simple but sweet tutorial video on how I organize my pens, markers, and any other writing instruments here in my room. So if you are like me, living in a small space with small table, and if you're a day jobber, I don't know if that makes sense, but if you have a day job, yeah, that's it. This is the right video for you. So without further ado, let's go with the tutorial video. Well, it's simple. We just need small cups, plastic cups, and paper tape. So I cut small pieces of paper tapes that will serve as the label for each cup. And I use my Marvi Uchida brush pens to label them. So I decided to do a calligraphy so at least it's presentable. Since I have different markers and pens here, I decided to make 7 containers for them, and pretty much the same process like what we did: plastic cups with small piece of paper tapes and calligraphy for their labels. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial video, and I hope you learned something from me. And I know most of you are thinking of their own version of these containers, which is really good. So if you have any suggestions, comments, or ideas, please comment down below and subscribe. And if you want to get notified if I have a new video, please click on the bell button beside the subscribe button. You know that. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.